Hello, and welcome to my new channel. I am back with a new video. This video is a comparison of tornadoes versus tropical cyclones, hurricanes or typhoons, depending where you are. I hope you will like this informative video. Please enjoy. Definition of tropical cyclones and tornadoes. First, let's define what is a tropical cyclone and what is a tornado. A tropical cyclone is a powerful spinning storm that contains strong winds and rain above the ground that swirl around a low-pressure eye. While a tornado is a violently rotating column of air touching the ground, usually attached to the base of a thunderstorm. Wind speeds and size. Tropical cyclones are generally much larger than tornadoes, with a general size of 100 kilometers to 2,000 kilometers. Tropical cyclones spin with an average speed of 118 kilometers per hour or 73 miles per hour. In contrast, tornadoes are typically much smaller than hurricanes, around 150 meters across. But this doesn't mean that they are less dangerous than typhoons, as they can spin at an average speed of 250 kilometers per hour or 157 miles per hour. How do they both spin? Typhoons spin due to the Coriolis effect, which is the effect on the air above when the earth below it spins. If the ground below it spins clockwise, the air above will spin anticlockwise, and if the ground below spins anticlockwise, the air above will spin clockwise. This is also why tropical cyclones in the northern hemisphere spin anticlockwise and tropical cyclones in the southern hemisphere spin clockwise. As warm moist air brings the spinning air up into the cloud above, the cloud will spin too and generate wind. Whereas for tornadoes, they happen when the air rushes faster than the air below, causing it to curl around the lower half of the air. When an updraft knocks the spinning air into a column and up into a thundercloud, it becomes a supercell and a tornado forms. Where do they occur? Typhoons usually occur near the equator, because there is sufficient warm air there. They occur between the Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. If the tropical cyclone is in the eastern hemisphere, then it is called a cyclone in the Indian Ocean or a typhoon in the western Pacific. If it is in the western hemisphere, like the Atlantic Ocean or eastern Pacific, then it is called a hurricane. Tornadoes form usually in the tornado alley, where there is warm air moist from the Gulf of Mexico and cold dry air from Canada, a favorable condition for tornadoes to form. Otherwise, they can form almost everywhere in the world as long as conditions are favorable. How do we categorize them? In the Western Hemisphere, we categorize them using the Saffir-Simpson scale, from tropical depression and then tropical storm and then hurricane 1-5, while on a worldwide basis. Alternatively, the MO system, we categorize them from tropical depression, then tropical storm, then severe tropical storm, then typhoon, then super typhoons. Tropical depressions are usually not a particularly strong storm, with winds peaking at 55 kilometers per hour, 34 miles per hour. One step up we have tropical storms, a middle-strength storm that can cause some damage. Their winds peak at 117 kilometers per hour, 73 miles per hour. Typhoons or hurricanes cause considerable damage, typically with winds over 118 kilometers per hour, 73 miles per hour. Tornadoes are classified by the F scale, or Fujita scale, from EF0 to EF5. EF5s can cause catastrophic damage, while an EF0 might just rip a branch off. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you have learned something today. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.